Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute, here on the Atelier channel, where right now I can't find the thingy for my sewing machine. And I'm going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. As writers and creative people, it can be extremely frustrating when we can't find the thing we need to make the thing. Basically, we require certain tools to finish and even start projects. And when it turns out that we are responsible for misplacing them, it can feel a little frantic and frustrating running around the house looking for the thing. I don't have any helpful advice. I don't have a summoning spell. I can't tell you to spin around 3 times and sing "Oh, Where's My Hairbrush" by Larry the Cucumber and it will mystically appear. But I can assure you that this happens to everyone. Does it make it any less frustrating? No. It doesn't. This is a reminder to stay calm. Take a deep breath. Take a break if you need to. Ask a friend to help you look. Retrace your steps. And remember, if it is a note that you misplaced, a scene, or something to do with your story, if the idea is worth it, it will come back to you, and most likely come back to you even stronger. I am wishing you all the best of luck in finding the thing, and I'm gonna keep looking for the sewing machine doodads. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all the links below. Let me know if you have any tips or tricks of what you do to look for things when you misplace them, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone!